Friends, today we are going to move to the next chapter, which is motion and time. So here we are going to talk about what is motion. So what is motion? Literally anything which is motion, which is in movement or moving, is known as that is in motion. That object is motion. So, but how can we define motion in science? In science, we can say any object which change its position with time is called in motion. So any object which changes its position with time is known as that object is in motion. Now let us take some examples of motion. When you walk on floor or when you run, you keep changing your position on the floor. Suppose you are at one time, at 1 second, you are in this position, at position A, and after some time you can observe your position. You will reach to position B, and after some another interval of time you will reach to position C. So you keep changing your position with time. And also your hands starts movement when you walk or when you run. So this is the example, first example, where you can easily observe motion. Another example is motion of fan. You can easily observe motion of the blades of fan. If you mark any blade of the fan, you can easily observe how it changes its position with time, because it keep on rotating when electricity is on. And another example of motion is motion of a ball, movement of a ball. When you move a ball or when you hit a ball, it keeps changing its position. Similarly, for example, there is one dot over here in ball. When it rotates, it moves, it keeps changing its position. This point keeps changing its position, and you can observe that points disappear and it comes to that point again, that place again. Similarly, when you hit this ball, this starts changing its position with time. So in this way we can change its position, and this is in motion when you hit it or throw it. Now we are going to move some complex example, which is motion of earth around its axis and motion of earth around the sun. We all know all planets move around the sun. Earth is one of them which moves around the sun. So how it moves? It moves around the sun in some particular path, by following some particular path, and this path is known as orbit. And the motion of earth around the sun is known as revolution of the earth. And earth also rotates on its axis, move on its axis, and all the places on the earth keeps changing its position. So it is also the example of the motion. And this rotation of this motion of the earth is known as rotation of earth around its axis. So these are the two examples from the motion of earth.